Oh yeah, I forgot. Supposed to turn on the subtitles. This also someone told me to turn on the subtitles before, so let me turn them on right now. Subtitle, where they at? On English. 5 plus 5 is Coco. Maybe I should turn off the subtitles though. It's your boy Sub the Mic back at it again with another video. I know I haven't posted on this channel, but we finna post today. We're getting a lot of recommendations by subscribers, and I appreciate it. Every single recommendation. And today we're gonna be reacting to PENTAGON, K-pop group. And our first video is gonna be Naughty Boy. Let's see what they talking about. You know, if I like it, if I don't know. Let's see what they talking about. Oh my goodness, what's going on? Already right off the bat, I like the swagger. I like the outfits already. Oh yeah, I forgot. Supposed to turn on the subtitles. This also someone told me to turn on the subtitles before, so let me turn them on right now. Subtitle, where they at? On English. 5 plus 5 is Coco. Maybe I should turn off the subtitles though. It's kind of ruined it for me because it doesn't make any sense. But what is this quality? What's going on? They got the little wiggly joint in the back. Dang, how many K-pop stars do you need to wash a car? It was like 12 bodies. 1, 2, 3, plus the little wiggly thing in the back. You know my number one thing that I like about K-pop, that K-pop songs and stuff is how do you say this? Choreography. I don't know how to say it, but it's basically like the dance moves and stuff. Always on point. Always on point. Like, I'm really curious. Like, how long does it take them to learn this type of stuff? How long does it take them as a group? Like, if one group member falls behind, do they just drop them? Like, how does that work? Yeah, that's one thing I always want to try. I want to try some Korean barbecue. I never had it before. I don't know which one is my favorite one yet. I really dig the green hair guy. I don't know who that is, but I'm really digging him right now. Yeah, I don't know which one is my favorite one yet. I can't really like Yeah, I think green hair guys, my
누리게 사랑하지 우린 하나같이 노래를 해 네 앞엔 언제나 keeping it low 네가 원하는 건 뭐든 되고 싶어 그냥 내 곁에만 늘 있어줘 난 약속하리요 영원히 받들겠어 If I die tomorrow 청개구리 영원히 살자 배불리 청개구리
Another thing about these videos is that the fits are always on point. It's like they're having a good time, you know? I feel like that's how it should be. Just having a good time, just having a grand time. It's probably why people love them so much. They're just having a great time, and that's what makes them, that's what separates them. That's what makes them great. Appreciate you watching. And let's move to the next video. If you like the content, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what I should react to next. And let's get it.